backstage, lagi nila ako naiinggit. Kasi hindi ko naiinggit pa rin ako, di ba?
Hindi ka naman ingit, nakahat ka naman eh.
Mukha nga akong Wizard of Oz. First, nakakaingit kasi, di ba, no?
Anyways, guys. Hindi ko ba kayo? Hindi. Hindi ko ba?
Siyempre. Tinatanong ko ba yun?
Sabi nila din, syempre. Alam mo, sobrang naluluha ako sa inggit. Hala, may mga personal sila pag-uusap, oh.
Oo, ganun na nga. Dapat GV lang tayo, no?
GD naman ako.
Parang hindi naman eh.
GD ako.
Yes, tama si wife ni dapat GV na.
Ano? Ano sabi mo?
Wife?
Wi-Fi? Baka na pwedeng Wi-Fi para makakonect din ako dyan. Kasi mamahanap yung router na yan.
Anyways, guys, we're here to have fun. Is it you kayo? Yes? Alright, thank you guys. Before we go any further, I just have to say Nadine, right?
Thank you so much, James. Maraming salamat. Oh, Nadine din naman ako, ah. Ano? Nadimonyo.
So, hindi ka BMC ko talaga.
Tigilig na.
Anyway, hindi para sa atin itong gabi na to, para sa kanilang lahat. Kaya, I hope na-enjoy niyo po, and this is for you. Thank you for being here, guys. Sana po ma-enjoy niyo. We love you, Gusto niyo ba mananahin kay ni James?
Gusto niya na bang haranahin kay ni James? Yung mga nasa taas, gusto niyo bang haranahin kay ni James? Kung gusto niyo, talon! Charot! Okay. Everybody, let's all welcome the Prince of Philippine Television, James Street!
Today? Thank you guys. Thank you for giving me the energy to do this show. I love you guys. Now I want everybody to dance along with me. You guys ready? You guys ready to dance? G4 is back on the stage. Let's go. That's why I need a oneness. Gotta see flight. Yeah, I don't wanna spend time fighting. We ain't got no time, and that's why. Got it in the sea of my hand. One more time, here I go. How you promise stay alone? You want me? I need one dance. Got it in the sea of my hand. One more time, here I go. How you promise stay alone? Let's go, guys! Come on! Stand up! Yes, give me.
I can only pass. I can only answer one. Tama naman, di ba? Isa rin yung sasagutin ko. I can only answer one. So, we will have a contest here. Let's have an acting contest. All right? Let's say for example here, let's have an acting contest here. Let's say for example, yeah, we'll have an acting contest. Do you speak Tagalog?
Oo naman.
Very good. Do you speak Tagalog?
Oo naman.
Yes! Sana sinabi niyo kaagad. Hindi ka na ako mag-nose blood. Tama, di ba? Nose blood. Anong tama? Oh, kayo ang mali. Nose blood yun. Ano ang English ng ilong? Ano ang English ng dugo? Ano tawag doon? Di ba? Huwag niyo lalagyan ng bleed. Pag nilagyan niyo ng bleed, matalas yun. Magdudugutangin yun. Oh, let's do it this way, right? Okay, Ivan, you stay here, and you stay here. Here's the situation, okay? We'll have an acting contest. Let's say, for example, that you are my, woo. You are, ikaw yung naliligaw sa akin. Tapos, kunyari, boyfriend ko siya. Tapos galing siya Amerika. Tapos mahuhuli tayo sa bahay. Ayan! Ayan! Tapos magkayakap tayo. Ayan! I love my job. Tapos ikaw naman magagalit ka. Can I have a spare mic, please? Sorry. No, not that one. Okay. Okay? So pag sinabi ko, lights, camera, lahat tayo sisigaw na? Gather, lights, camera! Okay, very good. Mahuhuli mo kami, tapos magagalit ka, alright?
So, papasok ako.
Hindi, lalabas ka. Yeah, okay. Tapos, okay. Lights! Tapos ikaw, ipagtatanggol mo ako, ha? Yung parang magagalit mo, pagtatanggol mo ako kasi mahal na mahal mo ako, ha? Yeah. Anything, kahit ano. Basta, magagalit ka din, ha? Oo. Okay, lights, camera! Ano ba?
Mahal! Hoy! Dito na ako!
Teka lang, Kat, sorry. Ano nakikita mo? Nasa bahay tayo, may pintuan pa yan.
Isip ko, wala tayong pera, so wala tayong...
Hindi, may pintuan yan, kakatok pa si Ivan. Tsaka huwag ko hinahanap, garahe natin yan. Wala ako dyan, ito yung pinto. Papasok pa tayo dito, Ivan. Okay yan, parehas tayo lalaki. Ha?
Mahal, nandito na ako.
Ah, parang may kumakatok.
Eh, wala akong susi, ha?
Sunod pa. Parang may kumakatok. Sandali, bubuksan ko lang yung pinto, ah.
Wait lang.
Ah, sino yan?
Mahal! Ako nga ito.
Di ba bukas yung pinto? Bubuksan ko pala.
Okay.
Bubuksan ko pala. Ah, sino yan?
Ako nga.
Ay, sandali. First floor. Ayan ko ba Ivan?
Oh, listen.
Ivan, anong ginagawa mo dito?
Ako na ako sa work. Early.
Amerika? Balik ka ng Pilipinas?
Naman, nagpa-out ng flight.
Matapang ka kunwari dito.
Sino to?
Ha? Ah! Teka lang, isali niyo naman ako. Siya yung...
Sunshine that lights my heart within. And I'm sure that you're an angel in disguise. Come take my hand and together we will rise. On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love, on the wings of love. Only the two of us together flying high. Oh, flying high upon the wings of love. Oh, sorry, girl, for causing you much pain. Didn't mean to make you cry, make your efforts all in vain. And I apologize for all the things I've done. You were loving me so much, but all I did was let you down.